Social Alpha is a multi-stage venture development platform that looks at science and technology innovations and entrepreneurs and tries to use entrepreneurial models for solving India's complex development sector problems.
Bangalore, which is a metro city, the amount of waste generated is 5,500 tons per day. This is the official figure that we know, but we know that it's much more than that. For this kind of large amount of waste and also with a very limited resources of the city, we had to think about different ways of doing the waste management.
Hasrudala Innovations Waste Picker Entrepreneurship Model basically has waste pickers as entrepreneurs who provide the primary collection services to bulk generators. We worked on an end-to-end supply chain of waste wherein we actually collected directly from the generator of the waste, ensured that it was segregated and taken to the right destinations. We did all this by integrating waste picker entrepreneurs into the model so that they would have access to markets that otherwise they wouldn't, and access to clean waste rather than waste from the roads. They have two sources of revenue. One in terms of monthly fee paid by us to them for the primary collection. And the second revenue source is the dry waste that they sort and sell into the informal recycling supply chain.
1,600.
One of the things that differentiates us is our willingness to experiment with new models, new innovations in waste management, especially around business models and process models. That requires patient capital because you could fail as well. That's where Social Alpha's investment came in. The networking, the exposure that they gave us in the ecosystem was very, very helpful in being able to scale to the extent that we have scaled.
If you look at Hasirudala, what really is extremely inspiring is the enablement and empowerment of the extremely poor waste picker community. Empowering such a completely marginalized community using entrepreneurship and innovation as the tool is something that fits our charter, our ethos, and we will continue to do it.
मेरा नाम लुत्फर अली है। हम लोग अपार्टमेंट में सर्विस देते हैं गार्बेज का। मैं ही शुरू किया था 3 आदमी लेके। तो अभी तो मेरे पास 4 गाड़ी हो गया। 35 लेबर है अभी। 46 अपार्टमेंट है। घर का खर्चा भी अच्छे से उठा रहे हैं, बच्चे को पढ़ा रहे हैं। अपार्टमेंट में जाते तो वो बहुत इज्जत करते हैं।
Waste pickers are very entrepreneurial in nature. We've just facilitated or encouraged this entrepreneurial quality in them and offered a platform where we do not engage each other as employer or employee but as partners.